Hi guys! Our lesson for today is about equations with infinite or no solutions. Our learning goal for today is to solve equations and identify if there is a solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. Let us try to find out if there is a solution to this equation 3 multiplied with the x minus 5 is equal to 3 multiplied with the x minus 4. We can solve the equation using the distributive property of multiplication. We're going to distribute the 3 inside the parentheses. So, 3 times x is 3x and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. On the other side of the equation, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. You can notice that 3x is present on both sides of the equation, so we can subtract it. Therefore, we can eliminate 3x on both sides of the equation. And we can come up with negative 15 is equal to negative 12. We all know that negative 15 is not equal to negative 12. Therefore, there is no solution. Let us work on this example so that you can understand the lesson well. 3 multiplied with the x minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied with the x minus 4. To solve for the equation, we're going to use the distributive property of multiplication. We're going to distribute the 3 inside the parentheses. So, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And then, we're just going to write the plus 3 as it is. Then, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is negative 12. Let us simplify first the constants on the left side of the equation, which is negative 15 plus 3. And it will give us negative 12. Therefore, the equation will give us 3x minus 12 is equal to 3x minus 12. We have the same variables on each side of the equation, so we can just subtract 3x on both sides of the equation. So, we can cancel out the 3x on both sides of the equation. And it will give us negative 12 is equal to negative 12. If you can come up with a number that is the same on both sides of the equation, then there is infinitely many solutions. Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. We're still going to use the distributive property of multiplication. So, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. On the other side of the equation, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. You can notice that the coefficient of the variables are not the same. It is 3 and 2. So, we're going to eliminate the smaller coefficient. We're going to subtract negative 2x on both sides of the equation. And we can cancel 2x on the right side of the equation. 3x minus 2x will give us 1x. If the coefficient of the variable is 1, don't write the 1 anymore. Just write x, or the letter itself, which is the variable. So, it will give us x minus 15 is equal to minus 8. To solve for x, we're going to use the inverse of the subtraction, which is addition. So, we're going to add 15 to both sides of the equation. And in this case, we can cancel out the 15 on the left side of the equation. To work on plus 15 minus 8, it will give us 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. If we arrive with one value of x, that means we have exactly one solution. The lesson is very easy, right? We have learned how to solve equations and identify if there is one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions.